Good morning to all. Today, important respiratory system 1 mark questions in the MRP, RRB, AIMS and other nursing examinations. First one, length of pharynx dash centimeter 12 to 14 centimeter. Second one, dash is the phospholipid substance which are present in the alveolar cells which reduce surface tension and prevents collapse of lungs in the newborn. Surfactant. Third one, covering member of lung is called pleura. Fourth one, the area between the two lungs is called mediastinum. Fifth, dash is a dome-shaped structure which separates thoracic and abdominal cavities. Diaphragm. Sixth one, the amount of air which passes into and out of the lungs during each cycle of quiet breathing is tidal volume. Normal tidal volume means 500 ml. Seventh one, the amount of air that can be inspired with maximum effort is inspiratory capacity. Eighth one, the amount of the air that remaining in the air passages and alveoli at the end of the quiet expressions. Functional residual capacity. The largest volume of air which can be expelled from the lungs during maximum expressions dash expiratory reserve volume. 10th one, dash is a substance which is present in RBC which helps in the dissociations of hemoglobin 2 to 3 diphosphoglycerate. Thank you.